Hi, this is Watch Robin, and today I'll be doing a review on this Disney Parks Authentic Gears Link Mickey Mouse watch. Now, I think this is made in China, this particular watch, but under license with Disney. You will see a very small Mickey Mouse logo here at the 12 o'clock, so this sort of just give it a semblance of Disneyness as far as concerned. As far as size, it is a rather large watch, approximately 44mm across. Lugs is approximately I think it's about about 24 inch lugs. Thickness is about 13 millimeters. So this is a big watch, and it is a skeletonized watch, so you can actually see the insides of the movement. The back is also this big, is back. Rather cheap. I mean, for a day-to-day something for fun, this is actually a good watch to have, and I like it because it reminds me of Disneyland. So that's the reason why this particular watch thing. Now, I bought this in Disneyland, but if you were to get it on a web merchant, you can get it less than half the price that I paid for. Unfortunately, I had to pay retail for it in Disneyland. Can't help it. But if you really love to have something like this, go to the web, find a web merchant. You will definitely get a price that is very deep discount. Let me put it on my wrist and I'll show you how it looks like. Here's the watch on my wrist. Simple watch, looks big, has nice stage presence. Nothing spectacular as far as material is concerned. Stainless steel, normal glass, crystal glass, nothing special. Anyway, please like the video, follow the channel. More reviews coming up soon. Bye.